You know what time it is. Jumbo. Okay. It's our people. Spirit is Jumbo. When John born, the spirit is in alignment. 16 on some Flint, hard to find. A distant Charlotte, Carolina uprising. Said little sister, couldn't have been lying. Said June born on Sergeant, he just wasn't right. A flashback when things were covenant reliant. The intention sister built underline. Little mama came home to DeAndre crying. Was supposed to go to the store for some oil, some fly. Come right back, don't be metal at the house. Get your ass up there and be back in the house. Meanwhile, when June bugs on the prowl, the man child come up the hill to see me drunk and painted for drunk. You can get it when telling Brandon since many songs. Remember they pop shot at him for going into the garage. But lucky for him, they on Jehovah confined. No disobedience come from Mama Iris' eyes. So when said June bug took his pint of mine, so he kept whooping him about his way with the rope. During this time, little mama find time for a gospel off-progressing the trauma ever since. So not aware of the unreliable she running with. June bug circle seeming the sergeant in the band. Stand up, stand up, stand up, my people. 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 Now it's said that Monkey Man, the rapist, lived behind the stove. But Lil Mama was told to go. We'll come back to that though. The spirit and Jumbo now return back to the show. But Lil Mama and her camouflage clothes half finished with their dough. Caco and neighborhood gossip so when Junebird widened his digital pole, the time and place is right for him to venture over to them and slid in with his insight. Also, it was his right for the period of the day was close to night. He approaches grinning, and Lil Mama and her company walking his advice. Handing him the complimental herbal spice. And Junebird finished it and became super hype. Live saved live and something with the price for Mama. Lil Mama looked at him with a cheese and persona. This is DeAndre's thesis on the school bus while Junebird hopped. He touched my little sister Quintil on some imperial nonsense. Took her in the woods and tried to complain his honor. He convinced him with a hot girl to be with the setup and road. He tried to blame it on Monkey Man, I'ma smack his head back. And that's what DeAndre did, shout out Junebird cheeks sent away in the air. Stand up, stand up, stand up, my people. 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 Show